Hey everyone, it's Tropics WX here with another video, another Pacific Hurricane Season 2025 video. So, yeah, what are we covering today, people? Well, we're covering another tropical storm that just formed yesterday. Um, I never covered advisory number 2 because kind of waiting for the next advisory to come up, which it did. So, let's just get into this. Tropical Storm Canino, Sunday, August 31st, 2025, 11 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Advisory number. Anyway, uh, center location 14.4 north, 124. Yeah, 124 west. Maximum sustained winds 40 mile per hour. Movement west at 9 mile per hour. Let's go into. It is west southwest of the southern tip of Baja California. And let's go over to your discussion side. So this is right now 40 mile per hour. In 12 hours from now, it'll have a wind. It'll have winds of 45 miles per hour. In 24 hours from now, it'll have a wind gust of winds of 60 mile per hour. In 36 hours from now, it will be a 70 mile per hour. 48 hours from now, it will be about 80 mile per hour. 60 hours from now, about 85 miles per hour. 72 hours from now, it'll be a 90, and it'll be 90 for 96 and 120. So yeah, let's head over to Zoom Earth, and then we're also gonna bring in. Hold on, give me a minute. I'm going to do that. Okay, so we are over on Zoom Earth. It currently has a pressure of 1006 of millibar 1006. It has 40 mile per hour and is expected to be a 90 mile per hour or a hurricane by maybe September. Okay, yeah. It's expected to be a 90 mile per hour. Hawaii, I don't know if we're in the clear yet with you, but we'll keep an eye on it. As we probably progress to the hurricane stage, we'll continue to monitor it. But yeah, we're gonna also introduce something, called spaghetti model modes. So WeatherWise introduced the spaghetti models, so we're gonna look at them. Okay, so we're gonna show the spaghetti models very quickly. As you can see, all the biscotti models are pointing either by Hawaii or going kind of underneath it. Their major hurricane stage. The National Hurricane Center, which is actually on here, here it is expecting this thing. I mean, they have two of them, so they're expecting this thing to almost be a Category 2. But some of you malls that are going all the way up into that Category 3 stage, which surprisingly it's this one at the 196 hour. You can see there's 105 knots, about 100. If you do some math about that, I think it's like 125, 125 to 120. So yeah, that being said, this is Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.